Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and I have come up today with a great or a good opportunity by KPIT. So KPIT is going to hire 2022 graduates. So it's a golden opportunity. KPIT is a very good company. I will talk in detail about the KPIT company and the package, the roles, the eligibility criteria, each and everything. Okay, so friends, now here you can see, so the CTC upon joining is 4 lakhs per annum. And friends, all other medical benefits like other companies, here also you'll be getting the medical benefits, the medical insurance, your health insurance and other things. Qualification, so only BE and BTech is allowed. And friends, be very clear with that. So only 2022 graduates will be able to apply for this KPIT off campus, and your eligibility will be 60%. Okay, so we'll talk more about the percentage eligibility criteria. The eligible branches are computer science and business studies, computer science, information technology, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering, electronics and electrical engineering, electronics and computer science engineering, and instrumentation engineering. So these are the branches who can write this, and the eligibility is 60%. Qualification BE BTech and CTC upon joining is 4 lakhs. Friends, your academic qualification, if we'll talk about, so in 10th you should have 60% total, but in maths they want 70%. Okay, so in 12th the total you should be having 60%. In maths they need 70%, and in English they need 50%. And BTech 60% aggregate or equivalent till 7th semester. So basically you can say 60% throughout, and also till 7th semester here, and in 10th and 12th maths 70%. Okay, so friends, how can you apply? So the link will be given, and again I will be talking in detail about that. But friends, if you do not fulfill the criteria of 60%, okay, or if you are getting any kind of such problem, or if you want to switch your job, then we are gonna talk about that. So friends, ever felt trapped in something that does not align with you, but you have still got to do it on daily basis? For example, your job, does it cost your focus, opportunity, productivity and happiness? So friends, many times we compromise ourselves, and at the less CTC we work. Okay, so if you noted your head, you are surely not alone. If you're finding it difficult to juggle between your job and your personal life, it's a sign of being trapped in a job that you no longer enjoy. What can you do? So well, what do you do when you don't like a movie, a song or a stand-up comedy? Okay, so you grab the remote and change it, right? So why not do the same with your company? So friends, if you're in a company and if you're looking for some change, then grab this opportunity with Relevel by Unacademy and take the hiring ball in your court. So attempt the Relevel test free of cost, prove your worth and secure interview opportunities from the top companies in India like Cred, Grow, Upgrade, Misho, Elo.ai and many more. These are the companies, and you will be able to get a package of up to 15 lakhs. Okay, so friends, if you're looking for a higher package, then many of this company is offering as high as 15 lakhs per annum if you're 18 plus and till 40 years of your age. If you are a fresher or experienced, you will be able to write the Relevel test. All you need to do is take the Relevel test absolutely free of cost and open the flourishing doorway to your career and future. I will take you through how to apply. To get selected for recruitment opportunity, you must secure 70% in the test, complete your level profile and get the opportunity to interview with this amazing organization. So wondering what is special about the level test compared to other recruitment process? Well, with level, you are skipping the competition for job in the most sought after companies. Okay, sparing yourself the innumerable rejections and almost every other hurdle between yourself and your dream job. So still unsure about taking the test? Find all the people who took the Relevel test with the Relevel Achiever Twitter handle and see for yourself. Okay, so friends, if you also want to see, okay, on the Relevel Twitter page and getting a high package, so you can see, so Kadali Venkat Jivan, so he has scored 701 out of 1000. That means 70% minimum is required. Sales executive, okay, practically the company. And then Swati Rani, sales executive, FX Pay. and Subham Negi, sales executive, practically, and then Raghav Sengal, okay, and then Atharva Reddy, software engineer, Graphy, Naveen Balaji, front-end engineer, Gold Setu. So you can see, friends, the lot of candidates has got the job. Neeraj Kumar Mahawar, front-end engineer, okay. So these are the relevant Twitter handle page where you can see all the achievers. Now you can also be a part of that, okay. So I will also show you how to register for free, but before that, if you are geared up to elevate your career and life to take it a few notch says higher, book your A-level test date right away. You can pick your own convenient date and time when you feel most prepared. So when you are prepared, then only you choose a date and then write the test. Become a part of the re-level revolution that has been changing lives. Who knew that a free test can give you a short glimpse of how the next 25 years of your career and life may look like? Excited to take a sneak peek into your future? Visit re-level and register for test today. So friends, it is completely free. There is nothing has to be done. So whatever jobs you want, business development, front end and back end. So just click on select, okay. And after that, you can book your free slots. So click on book free slots, and whenever you prepared the date, so you can select one of the dates, okay, and then you can click on next. That's all. So your slot has been booked on 31st of October 2021. And if you want the admit card, then what you can do, you will be you fill these details and then you will be getting the admit cards, and you have to write the test in only one day. So friends, grab this opportunity, because opportunity knocks the door only once, okay. Now, so friends, what is the job descriptions of the KPIT? So different domains like autonomous driving, connected vehicle mobility, powertrain mechanical engineering, classic and adaptive auto SAR, artificial intelligence application for mobility, etc. Analyze requirements given by the client, design or understand algorithm concept, mathematical model, programming in C, C++, MATLAB, Simulink or Python, testing of code and Simulink models, optimization and porting of code onto microprocessor and microcontroller. So this is about the job description, and you are aware of the qualifications and the CTC. If any other doubt, definitely put in the comment box, okay. And friends, one more thing I wanted to tell you. So all the links will be given in description, and we are also bringing the student who has already cleared KPIT and working in KPIT, so they will be able to give you more information, okay. So now friends, you can fill these details and please review the information carefully before submitting. So university college registration number, okay, then select college. So you have to select college name here. So if I put Ram, so it is telling you the list of the colleges. I know few of them might not have their college name, might not be there here. So we will see what can be done for that, okay. Then personal information, first name, last name, gender is very, very important, male, female, or others, date of birth, and then if you have any active personal email ID, so you have to fill. College mail ID will not be considered, so be very clear. So college mail ID do not put, okay, you put some personal email ID. If it is not there, you can make it. Active mobile number, PAN card, Aadhaar card, okay, permanent address. So simple details are there. Preferred work location, so Pune or Bangalore. So only Pune or Bangalore you will be getting the job, okay. If KPIT is not give you preferred location, are you ready to join KPIT? Yes. Details about the college and institute, okay, AICTC ID of the college, that you can get it from the college, name of the university, okay, category of the if it is autonomous or not, okay. Please mention your training and placement officer name, please mention your training and placement officer email ID, please mention your their mobile number. You can get it from them, okay, from your college. You can tell them that say these companies are asking for all these details. Educational details you have to fill here, okay. So 10th 12th marks, okay. Have you appeared for 12th? Have you appeared for diploma? So even diploma also student can write this exam. Area of, I mean, after diploma, if you have done BTech, so there are some criteria are there which that also will list if you are from diploma. Are you area of specialization during your BTech? So you can see all these are automobile engineer, computer science and business studies, computer science, information tech, okay, electrical engineering. All this will be able to apply, okay. What is your last semester ongoing recently? So that details you have to fill. So all these details you know, right? So I do not have to get into how do you rate yourself in C programming. So all these details you will be able to see. Friend, this exam will be very, very easy. You do not have to worry about that. And one more thing, the exam date is on 38th of October, okay. So fill it as soon as possible and then write the examination. I know you are definitely going to make it happen, okay. If you have any queries, please put your comments in the comment box. We try to reply to most of the comments, but there are some comments, sir, I have already written the examination, when I will get the result. See, it depends upon the company. We also do not know. If you know that, we could have told you, okay. And you can also put your resume and your photo, and then you can fill your, in case CGPA has been awarded by your college, please upload the CGPA to percentage conversion table here. So everything they have mentioned, and if you have any doubt, please reach out to them, campus@kpit.com. Okay, so this email ID, you can use it to send the email if you have any kind of doubt. Okay, anyway, so let us minimize this. Okay, and friends, thank you for watching the video, and we are continuously updating a lot of job opportunities. So if you have any kind of doubt, please feel free to reach to us, and we will be keep uploading, keep doing that. So do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you once again.